Hello everyone. Today we'll learn what is MS Excel and also know the steps to calculate net pay using MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet program which is developed by Microsoft where you can work with n number of functions, formulas. You can create graphical charts, pivot charts, tables. You can also perform data analysis, sorting and filtering techniques can be applied here. Now we'll quickly know what are the different options that are available in the MS Excel. First thing, on the top of it you can see quick access toolbar where you have got the options of saving, undo and redo. Below that you can see the tabs which consist of file, home, insert, page layouts. So what you can see is you have got same options that are available in the MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, etc. That is because all of this are developed by the Microsoft. What uniqueness that you can see in the MS Excel is this is basically used for the purpose of calculations. So all the related functions and formulas are available here. Next thing, this complete thing is called as workbook. That is because it is a collection of worksheets. So these are the worksheets. So each of this box, rectangle box, is called as cell, which has got the cell name that is available in the name box. So here it is displaying C8, that is because from the column wise it is C and row wise it is 8. So whenever you want to access the data of each of the cell, you have to use the cell name. Next to that you can formula bar. Whenever you are performing any kind of calculations, you can use this. Now we already have created the table which consists of employee details, employee name, basic salary. Next we'll calculate HRA, that is house rent allowance, which is 10% of the basic salary. So whenever you want to perform any kind of calculation, you have to start with equal symbol. Otherwise you won't get any kind of calculation. So remember this well. You have to start using equal symbol. Equals. So basic salary of Adi is, that is F9 into 10%. So that is 9,900. It's actually boring, right, to type the same formula. So that's why you can apply the same formula to all of the remaining cells by just dragging it down. Place your mouse, drag it down. So the same function will be applied to all of the employee. So next thing you have got is traveling allowance, that is 3% of the basic salary. So equals F9 into 3%, that is 2,970. Same thing you can do. You can just place your cursor, drag it down. Next thing is DA, that is dearance allowance, that is 7% of the basic salary, equals F9. So here you can see whatever I type in this particular cell will be displayed in the formula bar. Drag it down. So next thing you have got is bonus. So here they have given the condition, that is the bonus will be 500 if the basic salary is greater than 35,000 and it is 0 if it is less than 35,000. So here you can also use the if condition. For that what you have to do is equals if the basic salary, that is F9, is greater than 35,000 the bonus will be 500, otherwise it is 0. So here you can see the basic salary of Adi is 99,000, that is greater than 35,000. So he has got bonus of 500. Now we'll apply the same thing to all other employees. Next thing is PF, that is 20% of the basic salary. The next thing we have got is total, that is equals basic salary plus HRA plus TA plus DA plus bonus So here net pay is total minus PF.